Hello everyone, my name is Savannah Wright, and I will be discussing the negative implications of geoengineering, specifically stratospheric aerosol injection. I will first define geoengineering, then take a closer look at the specifics of aerosol injection. Then, we will take a look at volcanic eruptions and the important information they provide about aerosol spraying. This will lead into potential consequences and sustainability issues surrounding aerosol injections. We will end by taking a look at unknowns. I would like to start with this quote from the Oxford Geoengineering program, which states, "Geoengineering is the deliberate large-scale intervention in the Earth's natural systems to counteract climate change." As the effects of climate change become more dire, geoengineering may appear to be a viable solution. However, it is important to note that large-scale interventions may bear large-scale consequences. One proposed solution to climate change is stratospheric aerosol spraying. Aerosol spraying is a form of solar radiation management. The idea is to inject sulfate aerosols into the stratosphere in order to increase the Earth's albedo. A reduction in solar radiation would reduce the Earth's temperatures, but it is difficult to predict by how much. One way scientists can study the impact of aerosol spraying is through the impact of volcanic eruptions. Mount Pinatubo was the second largest eruption of the century. The eruption created a large aerosol cloud which caused a decrease in net radiation. This graph shows a 0.5 Celsius degree decrease in temperature following the eruption. While stratospheric aerosol concentration may correlate with reduced global temperatures, we must look at the consequences of altering natural systems through aerosol injections. Possible consequences include reduced precipitation and, in some cases, extreme drought. Volcanic eruptions are known to cause droughts, especially in monsoon regions. Reduced precipitation combined with reduced insolation may also lead to food shortages. Additionally, the world's most vulnerable species may face extinction in the face of decreasing temperatures. Finally, aerosol spraying may have a negative effect on human health. Sulfate is regulated under the Clean Air Act. It is connected to illness and premature death from heart and lung disorders. In addition to concrete global impacts, geoengineering is a move against sustainability. From a social perspective, the consequences mentioned previously would disproportionately affect the poor. Third world countries are less equipped to deal with agricultural failure and water shortages. Reliance on geoengineering to solve the Earth's problem also undermines efforts to make lasting change to harmful human behavior. This promotes an unsustainable continue-as-is approach. Finally, aerosols may reduce solar power capacity and increase dependency on fossil fuels, in turn increasing greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to global warming. I would like to conclude with this quote from Alan Robach, which states, "Scientists cannot possibly account for all of the complex climate interactions or predict all of the impacts of geoengineering. The potential consequences of aerosol injection pose a large risk. Attention should instead be geared towards changing harmful human behavior rather than accommodating it with geoengineering."